Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can you use PayPal with HoneyBook? Before I get into the answer, let's talk about why you might want to use PayPal with HoneyBook. PayPal is a popular payment processor that's used by millions of people around the world. It's easy to set up and use, and it offers a variety of features that can be helpful for businesses. HoneyBook, on the other hand, is a project management and client management software that's specifically designed for creative and professional services businesses. It offers a variety of features that can help you streamline your workflow and get paid faster. So, can you use PayPal with HoneyBook? The answer is yes. HoneyBook supports PayPal as a payment processor. This means that you can use PayPal to accept payments from your clients. How to use PayPal with HoneyBook? There are a few different ways to use PayPal with HoneyBook. One way is to connect your PayPal account to your HoneyBook account. Once you've done this, you can use PayPal to create invoices and send them to your clients. Your clients can then pay the invoice using PayPal. Another way to use PayPal with HoneyBook is to use the HoneyBook Payment Gateway. This is a built-in payment gateway that allows you to accept payments from your clients using a variety of payment methods, including PayPal. Benefits of using PayPal with HoneyBook. There are a number of benefits to using PayPal with HoneyBook. One benefit is that it's easy to set up and use. Once you've connected your PayPal account to your HoneyBook account, you can start using PayPal to accept payments from your clients immediately. Another benefit of using PayPal with HoneyBook is that it offers a variety of features that can be helpful for businesses. For example, PayPal offers fraud protection, which can help to protect your business from fraudulent transactions. PayPal also offers a variety of payment options, which can make it easier for your clients to pay you. If you're looking for a way to use PayPal with HoneyBook, you have a few different options. HoneyBook supports PayPal as a payment processor, and you can use the HoneyBook Payment Gateway to accept payments from your clients using PayPal. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.